Hi everyone, this is Tony Richards with another episode of Clear Vision TV, and we're talking about growth constraints for companies, and we've covered those. And so we're talking about the most important growth constraint, which is leadership. And we're talking about sources of influence inside leadership. And illegitimate sources of leadership, the number one illegitimate source that I see that is in leadership today is when people try to use their position as a place of power or authority rather than developing their own personal traits as a source of leadership. And what can happen is a person can aspire to a particular position because they believe when they get into that position, that position will come with respect, and that position will come with things that they haven't developed within themselves. And so if we aren't completely healthy, if we don't put on our own oxygen mask first and make ourselves healthy, we can begin to believe that a certain position will cause other people to respect us or other people to do things for us because we hold that position, rather than developing those traits within us. And if we don't develop personal skills, and we don't develop character, and we don't develop integrity, and we try to lead strictly out of our position, it's not going to work as well. You can go to our website. We're developing a complete list and place for leadership resources at www.clearvisiondevelopmentgroup.com. See you next time.